A day in my life as a first-time domestic helper here in Saudi Arabia. Sabi nila, nakakatakot ang bawat bagong simula. Pero minsan, ang kinakatakutan natin ang siya ring magdadala sa atin sa mas magandang pagkakataon. Right? Oh yes! This is a day in my life as a first-time domestic helper here in Saudi Arabia. So come spend the day with me. The first thing I do every morning is drink a water. We have to stay hydrated before starting a busy day. Next is I always checking the time. What time is it? Today is Sunday and time check 8:05 in the morning. Next, I make my bed. I always feel like making my bed first and then help me start the day with a clean and organized mind. And tada, tapos na. Ang hirap talaga mag-ayos ng bed, lalo na kapag mabigat ang kama at malaki. Sumunod naman, lumabas na ako para maghilamos, mag-toothbrush at pumunta ng CR. Pero hindi ako naliligo sa umaga because I prefer showering at night after work. It makes me feel fresh and helps me sleep better. Always kong sinusuklay ang buhok ko at ganyan nga kapag sinusuklay mo siya. Maraming lagas. And now, it's time to prepare my breakfast. While I'm making my breakfast, let me tell you something. Before I came to Saudi Arabia, I was honestly scared. Dahil sa mga napapanood ko sa TV at nababasa ko tungkol sa mga OFW na nakakaranas ng mahihirap na sitwasyon. Madalas kong tanongin yung sarili ko, tama ba talaga ang desisyon ko? Maraming beses kong naisip na huwag na lang kayang ituloy ang pag-a-apply. Pero naisip ko rin na kung hahayaan kong takot lang ako magdesisyon para sa akin, baka hindi ko malaman kung anong magandang opportunity ang naghihintay. At heto nga, tumunog na nga ang aking pagkain. It's time to eat. After my breakfast, it's time to start cleaning the house and then let's begin. Yan pala yung kwarto ng alaga ko. Yan yung una kong nilinis kasi nasa sala pa yung aking amo. One thing I learned as a first-time domestic helper is that cleaning never really ends. Toink! Sometimes I clean one room, then I come back later and somehow it's messy again. And now let's talk about the bedsheet. Can I say this is probably my least favorite chore? Seriously, changing fitted bedsheet feels like wrestling with the mattress. You fix one corner, then the other corner pops out. At one point, I was like, who's really winning here? Me or the bed? When I first arrived in Saudi Arabia, my first employer had 3 children. Every day was very busy and honestly, it was difficult for me to adjust. Their apartment was small. I didn't even have my own bathroom. And I barely had time for myself. After 27 days, I made one of the hardest decision in my life. I told my agency that I couldn't continue working because the situation was not right for me. Thankfully, they listened and helped me transfer to another employer. That's when I realized something important. Not all employers are the same. Now, I'm with the family that has 1 child. It's a 9 years old boy. Maliit din ang bahay nila at talagang iba siya sa una kong amo. Mayroon nga rin silang maliit na aso. At talaga namang pagka-cute ay sa akin panatabi. Eh di ang labas nga ay gabi-gabi akong may kasiping. Sometimes, I think he's the real boss of the house because he is following me everywhere while I'm cleaning. What I appreciate most about my current employer is just that my work is more manageable. It's their kindness. They treat me with respect, and you can truly feel that they have genuine hearts. That made me realize that kindness isn't about having a big house or a lot of money. It's about how you treat the people around you. If you're planning to work abroad but you're feeling scared, I completely understand because I felt the same way. But remember, your story doesn't have to be the same as someone else. Choose a legitimate agency, know your rights, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you ever need it. Working abroad isn't easy. There are days when you feel tired, there are days when you miss your family, but every challenge teaches us something, and every step brings us closer to our dreams. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Now, let me finish my chores before my little chihuahua supervisor check my work again. Don't forget to like, comment, follow for more videos. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!